phenomenally successful species. Their relationship with human beings has been the key to their colonizing the planet. Traveling with us over oceans and across continents, cats have spread into every environment, from subarctic to desert, from jungles to remote islands, and they have entered into our homes by the millions. Unlike their wild cousins, they are not endangered. Their behavior may have become distorted by living with us, but their wild state is never far away. Inside every small cat burns the spirit from a savage bloodline. The closest big cat relative is the puma. There are plenty of differences in size, markings, and hunting specialties, but striped or spotted, large or small, the basic cat design is the same. A beautifully adapted, highly refined killer. The cat's entire body plan is geared around its need to hunt and eat meat. It is so effective that it hasn't changed for millions of years. Everything about the cat is refined and specialized. Even the fur-covered skin is highly sensitive, responsive to touch and temperature. Cats' bodies are sleek and tubular, built around a skeleton loosely put together to provide maximum movement. The basis is a super flexible backbone. Highly mobile joints between the vertebrae enable cats to stretch and bend in all directions. This is the key to feline grace and agility. Cats walk with a fluid, loose-limbed gait, on feet designed for climbing and killing, rather than running and digging. Their paws are set on highly sensitive pads, which can detect the slightest vibration and change in temperature. They are skilled predators, and their hunting apparatus is supreme. Switchblades for claws, protected to keep them razor sharp, but instantly extendable. They double as grappling hooks for climbing. Sharp teeth like daggers and shears are set in short, strong jaws. The head is a super-sensitized ball packed with high-tech surveillance equipment. Whiskers are refined antennae with bundles of nerve endings sensitive to the slightest change in air current, vibrations, and electrical fields. Cats can virtually see with their whiskers. Ears are like independently moving microphones. They can pick up much higher pitched sounds than a dog can detect, or a human being can even imagine. Their hearing is well into a bat's range. The sound is funneled into large echo chambers.